Hello, welcome to Here We Go. In this introductory lesson, let's talk about the Go board. So here we have a standard size Go board. It is 19 times 19, meaning that there are 19 vertical lines and 19 horizontal lines. Together they form 361 intersections. As you can see, there are 9 intersections here that are darker than the rest. These are called stars. So functionally, the stars are exactly the same as all other intersections, meaning they do not give you special bonuses or anything. These are just markings on the board. This one star in the center is called Tengen, Tengen, which means origin of heaven. So Tengen is the Japanese term for the star at the center. Although Go originated in China thousands of years ago, Japan was the country that popularized the game worldwide in the 20th century. So that's why a lot of the Go terms you hear are Japanese words. The name Origin of Heaven, of course, indicates that the game of Go has a lot of cosmic and religious implications and significance in ancient Chinese history. And that could be the topic for another video. Now to play Go, simply put black and white stones on these intersections. So each one occupies one intersection. You cannot put different stone on top of each other. That's not allowed. The intersections on the sides are also available. And the 4 corners are also available. So you can place the stones wherever you want in the beginning. So in an even game, black always goes first, right? So usually you would see someone playing like this. This would be the first few moves of a game. Each side takes turns playing one move. Now, the important rule for beginners to remember is that there is no undos in actual competitive games, meaning each piece, once played on the board, is rooted on the board. It cannot be moved to another intersection, and you cannot ask your opponent for an undo. This means you have to think very carefully and be responsible for each move you make. Lastly, I would suggest to beginners that they get a physical Go set with a 19 times 19 board along with black and white pieces. The Go board can either be a larger wooden one or a smaller portable magnetic set. You can find both on the internet these days. As you're starting out, it is important to place the stones on a physical board in order to study the patterns and try out the moves yourselves. So here are the main takeaways for today. Number 1, there are 361 intersections on the standard size Go board. Number 2, you should just place the stones on these intersections in order to play. Number 3, there are no undos in actual competitive games. And finally, get a physical Go set for practice. Thank you for watching.